Jhs Two students. How are you all doing today? We thank God for a new week and a continuation of our virtual lesson. Okay, so today we are looking at commission. Tomorrow there isn't going to be a video because this is the last topic and I want to start a new topic, but I don't want to start it tomorrow. So God willing, next week we'll start with a new topic. So I'm going to treat commission today, and tomorrow I'm going to put a lot of questions on commission on the page for you to solve. Then next week we start with a new topic. Now we are seeing the word commission, and I know some of you are wondering what commission is about. Okay, so just as discounts and what are we doing? Discount, simple interest, they are all on business. So is commission. So it's all involved with what? Money. Now, how different is commission to discount? Commission is, let's take, for example, I'm doing a business and I produce clothes or something. Then I tell the person, maybe me personally, I can't go to the market, I can't go to people's houses to sell my bags or my shoes that I produce. So what I do is that I appoint somebody, or I employ a person who is called a sales girl or a sales boy. Then what I tell him is that on every bag that he sells, there is going to be a percentage for him. I hope you understand. So I tell him that, okay, so if you are able to sell maybe 10 bags of what I produce, or you're able to sell 10 of my bags in a day, I'm going to maybe all cost, let's say 10, all cost 5,000 Ghana cedis. Then I tell you that on this 5,000 Ghana cedi worth of bags that you have sold for me, 10% is your commission. So 10% is his gain. Alright? So you're going to find 10% on what? 5,000 Ghana cedis. And that is what? 500 Ghana cedis. Do you understand what commission is? So commission is when it normally deals with sales people who sell things for people, or people who sell things for companies, or people who sell things for what? Factories. So the factory produces something, the factory tells you that at the end of the day, if you are able to sell goods worth 5,000 cedis, then 10% on that 5,000 things you have sold for me is your money. So this 500 Ghana cedis is the salesperson's commission. Alright, so when the person brings me 5,000 cedis, then he will take his 10% from that 5,000, which is what? 500 Ghana. So at the end of the day, me, the person producing the bags, is taking what? 4,500, and the person's commission on the sales he made is what? 500 Ghana cedis. So commission is mostly calculated in percentages. So the percentage of commission the person is taking is what? 10%. And the total amount of commission he's taking home is what? 500 Ghana cedis. So this is all what commission is about. And this 5,000 Ghana cedis is what? Is the total sales that he made. Alright? This 5,000 Ghana cedis is the total sales that he made. Now, I'm going to use this as an example before I move to the very first question for the day. Now, there's going to be a question where they'll give you a percentage. They'll give you the percentage, and they'll give you the total amount of commission he's making on that sales. But they'll not give you the sales. So you are supposed to find how much sales he made for him to have gotten this 500 Ghana cedis. And you know that in mathematics, whatever we don't know, we represent it with a what? With a variable, which is also what? Which we normally represent with an alphabet. So if you have 10%, 10% on what we don't know is what we represent as what? X. So we don't know this sales. Alright? So what we don't know, his sales that he made, that he got the 500, we don't know. So represented by X. Then he got what? 500 Ghana cedis. Alright? So you know that we want X to stand on its own. So this 10 will move here and when it moves there, 10 over 100 will move to this side, and when it moves there, it will reciprocate. So our X, which represents our sales that we don't know, is 500 cedis times what? It will reciprocate, so it will be 100 all over what? 10. 1 0 goes out, and we are left with what? 5,000 Ghana cedis. So do you see that we've come back here? So this is how we find our question, all right? So this is the sales that he made. This is his percentage on his commission, and this is the money that he gained. The first question for the day. A trader received a commission of 12.5% on sales made in a month. His commission in February was 850 Ghana cedis. Find his sales. All right. So it is similar to the question I solved, right? So now let's pick it this way. So because you want the teacher to know that you know what you are doing, you write that what? Let X represent sales. Okay, so now he made what? 12.5%. 12.5%. Let's change this is mixed fraction, so let's change it to improper fraction rather. So we have 24 over 2, right? Percent. 25 over 2% on the sales. The what we don't know, X, will give us what? 850 Ghana cedis. So you are finding what? X. Okay. Now you know that what? Percentage is over 100, right? So we have this one, all divided by what? This one over 100 is the same as what? Divided by 100. So don't get confused. I'm just writing it this way. All will give me what? 850 Ghana cedis. Now I cannot work with this. I have to change it into what? Multiplication. When I change it to multiplication, this one will reciprocate. So I have 25 over 2 times 1 over 100 is equal to what? 850. So we have here as well 25 over 200 is equal to what? 850. Then we have 25. My X, people, I'm leaving out my X. So my X is here. Now I want my X to stand on this also. This one has to join this. And when this one joins this one, it will reciprocate. So X, which is the sales, is 850 times 200 over 25. What is my sales? So my sales is 6,800 Ghana cedis. 6,800 Ghana cedis. So this was the sales that he made. This was his percentage, and this was the actual money he made on the sales. Okay. So let's quickly take the second question. Yah earns a salary of 650 per month as a sales girl. In addition to the salary, she is given a commission of 3% of the sales or on the sales she makes in a month. In January this year, she made sales of 15,000 Ghana cedis. What was Yah's total income at the end of January? What is the total income at the end of January? Now, what do you realize with this question? So this question simply says that I am the sales girl and have been employed in a company, okay? And my boss is telling me, I'm explaining this question to you, and my boss is telling me that every month, my 650 Ghana cedi salary, is conk. I'll take it. Okay, every month I am taking my 650 Ghana. Then he goes ahead to tell me that, but if I take my 650 Ghana cedi salary, and in a month or in that same month, if I'm able to sell 15,000 cedis worth of goods, I will still get what? 3% on the 15,000 sales that I made. So at the end of the day, I am taking my 650 Ghana cedis, and if God being good to me that month, I'm able to sell 15,000 worth of goods, I will take my 3% on my 15,000. Then, am I taking that one to home alone? No. I am taking the 3% on my 15,000 plus my fixed salary. Alright? So when you do your 3% or you calculate your 3% or your 15,000, then you come and add it to her salary that is fixed that she's taking home. So when you do that, then now you are able to know the total amount of money that Ya is taking home. So let's first calculate her commission. So her commission is what? Her commission is 3%. 3% is the same as 3 over 100, don't forget. Okay. So what do we have? We have 450 Ghana cedis. Okay. So 450 Ghana cedis. So this is the commission she made. So when she was able to sell 15,000 worth of goods, and she was able to make her 450 Ghana cedis commission. Is that the total money she's taking home? No. This is just what she made on commission. So we have to come and add the 450 Ghana cedis to her fixed salary, which is what? 650 Ghana cedis. And that is going to give us a total of what? So you write total salary is what? 650 Ghana cedis plus 450 Ghana cedis. So what are we having here? We are having 1100. So fortunately for her, that is the salary she is taking home. She's taking home 1,100 Ghana cedis. Okay, so let's take the final question for the day. A trader received a commission of 13% on sales. Do we know the sales? No. Made in a month. If commission in December was 390 Ghana cedis, find his total sales that month. What we don't know, we represent it with a variable. So we have 13 over 100, which is 13%, times X, the sales, we don't know. All is equal to what? 390. Now, X has to stand on this one, so we carry all this one here. When it moves there, it reciprocates. So X is equal to what? 390 times 100 all over 13. So 13 here, 1, 13 here, 3. So we have 30, 0, 0, then we have for 3,000 Ghana cedis. All right. So that means she made sales of 3,000 Ghana cedis. Her percentage of commission was 13%. So 13% on that sales of 3,000 Ghana cedis, and she made what? 390 cedis. Okay. So commission is also very simple. We are ending here today. We are done with discount simple interest commission, and God willing next week we'll start with a new topic. So tomorrow no video, but there'll be exercises on the page. I'll see you all next week. Bye.